Today we're changing the two blade belts on this 48-inch Wright Stander. On the left side of the deck, when looking from in front of the machine, this is the replacement belt, the shorter one that goes on this side of the machine. And then here's a replacement belt for the longer one, basically going on the right side. So in order to get this off, you need to get a breaker bar in there, and basically you can push back on the spring here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that belt. The belt comes up over here and comes to the top of the deck pulley system, and then it goes off and into the back on the clutch underneath the engine. Luckily, I was able to slide the belt. Let's see here. I'm gonna get this. Let me get a pointer unit here. While I'm in the back, I might as well cover this plate right here. If you take it off the back on these two screws, then you can look underneath and get to the clutch pretty easily by doing that. So you'll need to do that. And then I jacked this deck up here on the outlet side by about a foot to get reaching in where the clutch is. But what I was going to point at is back here. Let's see if I can get in there and make this work. Back here, there's a little gap right there, and there's a wire that goes to the clutch that you can slide the belt in between, and so you don't have to do anything with the clutch. And there's this bolt right here is holding on a little shaft that holds the clutch from spinning, so you don't have to putz around with that. But basically, if you feed that new belt in underneath the clutch, you can then put it on top of the clutch pulley and get that snugged up on the inside. And then like I said, you bring it to the front of this pulley, and then from there it goes over here, wraps around, comes on this idler wheel, and then shoots back underneath the engine where the clutch is down there. So that's the longer belt. And once you get that belt off, then you can take this second belt off here, and there's the where you put your breaker bar to loosen up this idler wheel and pop that belt off. And that belt is the lower one of the two in the middle of the deck. So overall, to do something like that, probably take about 45 minutes, half an hour, if you have all the equipment and ideas of how to move forward.